Hey, welcome back. It's October, so of course I gotta do some Halloween nails. And I thought it'd be cool if they glowed in the dark too. So I'm using this Glam and Glits acrylic powder. It is from their Glow collection. It's called Wicked Lava. And I'm applying this to every nail. Some of the nails I'm gonna be painting over, but I wanted them set to have a peekaboo effect where this acrylic shows underneath all the nails, and then also, since it glows in the dark, the underside of all the nails will also glow. I'm starting off with this Halloween glitter. It is black on one side and on the other side it's bronze. And I'm just going to take a couple pieces of these and lay them on the index nail with the black side showing. And then once I get them in place, I'm going to cap the whole nail in clear acrylic. Next, I'm taking these water decals and I'm going to take one of the jack-o'-lantern face decals and soak that in some water and then slide the back off and place the decal on the ring fingernail and then cap that nail in clear acrylic. Next, I'm taking some black gel polish and I'm going through and I'm going to paint the thumb, middle finger, and pinky finger. I did 2 thin coats, curing in between. I was at first gonna do 1 thin coat on all the nails, hoping that the glow in the dark would kind of show through the black in the end, but that wasn't really looking right, so I just went through and covered it with a second coat. I'm going to be using some nail foils, so of course first I have to apply the foil glue. So I'm doing a really thin layer of this on the thumb and the middle finger, and then I had to cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. I'm going to be using these Halloween themed nail foils. I got these from eBay, and I'm going to apply them to the thumb and the middle finger. This was my first time using nail foils, and it was easy to use, but the problem for me was that I wasn't using the whole design. I'm just using pumpkins to put all over the nails, so I had to cut the pumpkins out so that I wouldn't get the other designs on the nail. So it was harder just to put little pieces on instead of just applying the whole foil to the nail and pulling it off. But for the most part, it was pretty easy. I liked them. I messed up a little bit. I actually messed up this whole nail. I had to redo it all over again, but for the most part, it was pretty easy. I like them, and I'll probably be using them again in future sets. I was so pissed I messed this pumpkin up, but I didn't feel like doing it over, so I left it. And finally, for the pinky, I'm going back to that Halloween glitter, and this time I'm going to use the bronze side, and I'm going to take the pumpkin glitter and just apply a couple of those to that nail, and then once I get them in place, cap the whole nail in clear. And there it is, my finished Halloween nails. And yes, they do glow in the dark fabulously. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.